It's not only just getting the job, it's succeeding at the job.
Just look at their back catalogue, you know, Beasts of the Southern Wild, Fruitvale Station, and to put it bluntly, I don't think we'd have been able to finish the film without them.
Thank you to StudioX for today. This is incredible, and we're just so proud of everyone in this collaboration. I want to just recognize Catherine Tate, Jason Padnett, Sean Golaine for spending years in post with us. Thank you.
I also really want to thank the Academy of Arts University for the students who helped us with special effects.
Once we realized that we could make this thing look so amazing, it adds so much to the story and a very crucial part of the movie, and very early on. I think every little piece of professional VFX that we got from you guys just really gave it an extra boost.
There were so many detailed effects that was required, because even with finding, you know, great location and having a lot of good period stuff, there were so many wires and this and, you know, the cars, and it's a miracle what you guys did. It was just a mind-blowing, seamless look to the film. I mean, I knew it was going to be good. I knew, you know, from the things I saw you guys doing for us, you know, I saw it was going to be fine, but the final product was just excellent.